you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Hello, welcome to my piano lesson. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which is the same tune with alphabet songs. We are going to start with the right hand, and I will also show you how to play and add the left hand to it later in the course of the lesson. We are going to start with the middle C, which is right here. To identify middle C and the rest, go through the previous lesson on piano. Make sure that you follow all the lesson through. Let us quickly identify the tune alphabetically before we sing it in tonic solfa. C, C, then you are going to count 4 notes from C, which give you G. Then next to G is A, then back to G. Then before G we have F, F again, and before F we have E. Then before E we have D. Let us listen to it all together. That is the first part of the song. Then the next part, we are going to go back to G, the F, E, D, G, F, E, D. Then we are going to go back to the first part again. We cannot play all together for now. That is how to play it. You cannot play it alphabetically. You can play it numerically. C represents finger 1, G represents finger 5, A represents finger 6. Of course, you use the same 5th finger to play finger 6. Then finger 5 again, finger 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Altogether, we have 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. So if you want to play the left hand to it, I'm going to show you how to add the left hand to it. C below the middle C. E, F, E again, D, C, and G, C. Now let's put that to the first part together. That is the first part. Then the next part, we are going to play E, D, C, G, E, D, C, and G. Let's put this together now. Then we go back to the first part again. That is it. Now we're going to play everything together from beginning to the end now. You can pause the videos and listen to it all over again. Make sure that you pause it and ensure that you get each of the lines before you combine it together. Now let us play everything together. That is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.
Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic suffers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.